What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today I have a slay or nay. And if you guys are new to my channel and you guys don't know what this is, I'm gonna go ahead and explain it for you guys. If y'all been with Dope Nation, y'all part of the gang, then y'all already know what time it is. So I used to do slay or nays on my channel a while back. It's been a minute since I've done them, but I used to have a lot of fun with them. So today I am recreating a look that my client sent me off of Pinterest, and your job today is to tell me if I killed it or if I didn't kill it. So if you guys think that I slayed this style, you are gonna leave purple hearts in my comment section. And if you guys think I didn't do it justice, no sis, I didn't come close, then you're gonna leave an eggplant emoji in my section. So basically I'm gonna try to recreate this style as close as I can get it to the Pinterest picture. As you guys can see here in the top left corner, this girl is popping. And I have done this style on my client before, but it was cool or whatever, but it wasn't video worthy. So today I killed this shit, period. So I want you guys to let me know how you guys feel about it in the comment section. If you loving it, remember you are dropping purple hearts, and if you ain't feeling it, then you dropping the eggplant emoji. So I'm not gonna walk you guys through this look step by step. I'm gonna let y'all watch me do my thing. But I just want to say that I have been loving doing ponytails. They're like on trend, so popping, and I love that I can combine so many different methods into one. So if you guys are feeling the ponies, then let me know, y'all, and I will bring more to you guys. They're just hella cute to me, and just great for so many different occasions. So yes, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys cast your vote. As always, like, comment, subscribe, share this video if you think sis killed it. And I will catch you guys in my next video.
without acting alone. Have complete control. Have complete control. You without have no soul.
right, guys, so time to reveal the finished look. Who dropped the eggplant emoji? Because I'm that bitch, period. Slayed that, killed that, murdered that. You gotta drop a purple heart unless you a hater, period. Ain't nobody messing with me nowhere. Real life, YouTube, short hair, long hair. You're not on my level, period. Nah, y'all, I really be gassing myself up like that behind camera, but I just never let y'all see that side of me. But sis did that. Wow. Look at those rubber bands. Yes. All right, make sure you guys cast your vote in the comment section. Make sure you drop a purple heart emoji, because if you drop an eggplant, you're a hater, period. Because I slayed it, killed it, murked it. And make sure you guys follow Big Booty Aisha on Instagram. And I'm out.
You mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?